This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Wi-Fi Master app. First, download the app from your device's app store. It's available for both Android and iOS. Once installed, open it to grant necessary permissions, like location access, which helps in finding nearby networks. This app helps you discover and connect to free Wi-Fi hotspots, saving your mobile data and ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. It's a fantastic tool for travelers and anyone looking to reduce their data usage. After opening the app, you'll see a map or list of available Wi-Fi networks. Tap the Connect button to initiate a scan for nearby hotspots. The app will display networks, often indicating their signal strength and whether they are free. Select a network from the list, and the app will attempt to connect you. Always prioritize networks with strong signals for more stable and faster internet experience. It's designed to make finding internet access incredibly straightforward. Once connected, Wi-Fi Master often provides details about the network, such as its signal quality, estimated speed, and security level. Pay attention to any security warnings. While the app helps find free Wi-Fi, public networks can sometimes pose risks. Consider using a virtual private network or VPN for added security when browsing on unfamiliar networks. This ensures your personal information remains protected, giving you peace of mind while online. Beyond just connecting, the app may offer additional features like a built-in speed test to check your current connection's performance, or even data usage monitoring. To optimize your experience, regularly update the app and clear its cache if you encounter any issues. Wi-Fi Master is a powerful tool for staying connected without depleting your mobile data plan, offering convenience and cost savings for millions of users worldwide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.